Hello, it's Manjun here. So here's another unboxing for fancy goods for Wings Tour. So let's get started. So this is JIN Spoonful's Wings Tour Slogan set. It was made available during Wings Tour and the group order manager picked it up during D-Day, so we didn't have to pay for EMS. So as usual with slogans, it comes in a zipper bag. This set includes a JIN mirror, a sticker set, a photo card set, a Polaroid set, a poster, and of course the slogan. The front is a portrait photo of JIN, while the back says seokjjins. So yay, that's it for this unboxing. I have more fansite slogans that should arrive soon, and I will all do unboxings for those, so please anticipate. Thank you for watching as always, and see you guys next time.